feel like excitement is due, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like you should let me and my roommate run a train on you.
This has no cap.
Don't call it a comeback. It was dark, not the sun.
Hey, we about to do this prank on Nicole. We're gonna ask her.
I'm
gonna ask her if me and my roommate can run a train on her and see how she reacts.
Is
it say record up there?
Yeah. Like the REC at the top.
Yeah. Damn big food. I've seen him a long time. I want to park, but I can't really just park. All these cars in there.
He's behind you.
I got my merch, so that's on. Take a shirt. Yeah, it's I would call him, but nah. Should I say you sure?
They wait behind you.
Nah, they about to. Oh no, they waiting on this car here. There she go. What's your name?
There better be no drugs back here.
Huh? You want drugs to be back there? Too bad I don't do drugs, Nicole.
I'm Nicole, by the way. What's your name?
Gerald, nice to meet you.
Oh, nice.
Are we going to Walmart?
Yeah. Let's call Nicole. Oh my god. Oh my god. All these men, women out here. Then you got Fox News.
What are they here for? I'm at the place.
Oh, now you catching the drip for it.
Oh no, it's empty as hell. What they doing? Hey, tell them to put you on the new South by subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh man. I'm not gonna
Can you
lie.
put the windows up? It's cold.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm on one. Like the song, DJ Khaled, Drake. I'm on one.
You talking to me yet?
Her. I don't think she get it. Alright.
Yeah, yo, look at this nigga.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck it. Look. And I something to come. Nah. I feel like I'm going fast, but I'm only going 25. Alright, bro. I don't know how you going. Never mind. I feel like hanging out with you is bad luck. You know that? What? What? I don't know. I don't know. That's just how I feel. You know? Anyway. Oh no, it's just after that. Never mind.
No.
Somebody told me to blame it all on you.
It was your fault. How was that my fault?
That's true. I said it was my fault. And then they said just blame it on Nicole anyway. I was like, alright. Might as well. But anyway. Kinda got a headache. But yeah, they said they'll send it to the manufacturer for free. Yeah, this is pretty cool.
So you didn't have to pay them for shipping or anything?
Huh?
You didn't have to pay them for shipping or anything?
Which somebody behind us. But I was overjoyed after that, and then I realized something else. I realized something yesterday. I have a problem. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like I'm going through a drought. Cause when was Christmas break?
Huh?
When did Christmas break come? Like, when was Christmas break?
December 14th or something?
December 14th. Hold on.
What?
Huh? I don't know, cause it's been like, I want to say December 16th. So it's been almost a whole month since I've done anything. Oh, shoot, is that the? That's the botanical garden. And I feel like excitement is due, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like you should let me and my roommate run a train on you.
I'm not hanging out with you anymore.
Why not?
Because you play too much.
Who said I was playing?
You are playing.
What do you mean? So, because I asked you that, you just gonna stop hanging out with me all together?
You're little pranks again, and I told you not to do that again.
I don't even got my camera.
You're recording.
Huh?
Then why'd you ask me?
Why did I
It's not
ask?
serious.
So why did I? So, my camera's broken now. Keep that in
You can
mind.
record on your phone.
Do you see anything recording on my phone?
Okay, then why'd you ask me? Because you're not.
Why I'm not for real?
Because why would you?
Oh shit, I like man. Why I'm not for real?
Espresso artist. What?
I feel you guys. Oh, he's smoking a cigarette.
Okay, yeah, I'm definitely not hanging out with you anymore.
Huh?
I'm not hanging out with you anymore after this.
I'm just playing, Nicole. I got a camera for the I just got a camera for the DDG thing. Nicole, you know I was just playing.
No, that's not funny to me.
We already talked about this.
Why would you keep saying that?
You're right.
I
Hold
feel
on.
so violated.
You
I'm
feel?
not kidding, and I'm not hanging out.
You seriously?
I'm not hanging out with you anymore.
You seriously feel violated?
Yes.
She's definitely gonna hang out with me again.
Are you? Let me see if you're.
Why?
You play too much. I told you if you do that prank stuff.
Why she got mad at me? Though. She's still in there salty about it. She asked me. Why did I do that? I did that because she said something to me about that. But I got it though. Like, comment, and subscribe.